Welcome, today with DOOGEE S95 Pro, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. First, you should have to just select the screen where you want to add the widget, and now just press for a while on the screen and you'll see here the widgets tab there. And as can you see, you can choose from the calendar, from the Chrome, clock, contacts, mail, and from another application. For example, I'll go in with the digital clock. Just press for a second, and here just drag it, for example, to the right upper corner. If you want, you can change the size of the widget by this way. And for example, you can move here to the another screen, so you can just move it between the screens. Or for example, I'll take it here on the left down corner. And if you want, you can add one more widget here by the same way. For example, I will choose the calendar shadow. Just tap and hold to pick up here to your screen. If you want, you can also change the size of this widget. For example, make it bigger or smaller. That doesn't matter. Just make like you like what you like, and that's it. If you want to remove the widgets from your screen, just press for a second and here drag to the remove icon by this way. And for example, I will delete this widget too. And as can you see, that's it. If you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.